Some of y'all are out here paying $49 a month for subscriptions that you forgot you even bought. Tell me I'm wrong. Are you sure? Hey, this is Coffee with Crystal. Welcome back to your iced coffee powered corner of the internet where we tell the truth about writing, business, and the messy middle where they both collide. Grab your cup. Let's get to it, shall we? Welcome to the very first Author Business Breakdown, your Thursday business tune-up with a little bite. Authors and many other entrepreneurs have a weakness. They impulse buy their way out of discomfort. I know. New software? Yep. New checklist? New planner? Yep. Another course? Why not? It's on sale. And suddenly, your end of year P&L spreadsheet looks like a CVS receipt. And a lot of it isn't actually making you money. So here's the 30-second litmus test that will spare your business, your wallet, and your sanity. 3 questions. Burn them into your soul. 1, does it make me money? 2, does it save me time? 3, does it reduce my stress? If the answer isn't a loud, decisive yes to one of those questions, at least one of those questions, bye-bye. No blinking, no justification, no, but it will be useful later. If it's not helping your income, your hours, or your peace, it's a no. It's just clutter, wearing a price tag. So let's talk about it. That Canva package that you bought that you use on every single promo graphic, $15, worth it, totally, you're using it. But that $400 design course that you bought last year that you've opened like twice, that subscription that you only remember about when it charges your credit card, girl, you already know the answer. So today's assignment is simple. Pull up your statement, set a timer for 30 seconds, and ask yourself those questions. Does it make you money? Does it save you time? Does it reduce your stress? If you hesitate, it's a no. If you feel your stomach drop, it's a no. If your brain starts crafting excuses like a novelist on a deadline, it's still a no. Be sure and delete it before that part of you starts monologuing why it should stay. Your author career can't grow if you're busy financially babysitting things that you just don't use. Cut the noise. Keep what works. I'm not saying delete things that work for you. I'm only asking you to delete things that you really don't need. Remember, we want to build the business that supports you. This has been the Author Business Breakdown on Coffee with Crystal. Come next week with your receipts and your courage.